Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create a filter in Gmail to move emails. So first, here in Gmail, you want to go ahead and select the emails that you want to filter by clicking on the checkbox here at the side of the email. So let's say that I want to filter my emails from Google and Yahoo, and then each of the options will come up here at the top, so just click on it and then click on filter messages like this, and then you will see here at the from the email addresses of the emails that you selected are already here. So if there are other email addresses that you want to filter as well, so just go ahead and put them here. And another way for you to filter other emails that are similar to the emails that come from these emails is by typing here at the includes the words. So you just want to type in here the common words that you know are common from these email addresses and the other emails. For example, account. And after you've done that, just click on create filter, then click on apply the label, then click on choose label, then click on new label. Then you just want to go ahead and write the new label name or the new folder name where you want these emails to move into. So for example, I'm going to put accounts, then just click on create, and it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.